Good evening, guys. I'm going to make a video presentation of a loading sequence, and this vessel was my previous vessel, which is CPO Europe, but I'm now using the old loading sequence. Okay, and this loading sequence, uh, they use three cargo holds at the same time, so the sequence will be four. So until we'll finish loading. Okay, I will show you the loading sequence. Okay, this is the name of the vessel is CPO Europe, and the density at berth is 1.020, and the loading port is Port Hedland in Australia, and to be discharged is Shushan, China. The cargo is iron ore, and the total cargo is 176,455 metric tons. Okay, so this was done on arrival. Let's see, what's the date? Check for the date. Okay, let's check for the date. Date is 13 May 2013. So now it's 2026. Okay, so let's start with the sequence. So if you notice here, guys, the first sequence loading hold is 951 of 10,000 metric tons each. After loading these three holds, the second sequence will be 973, also of 10,000 each. And the third sequence will be 731, and the last sequence will be the 9 and 5. Okay, then this will be the forward draft, updraft, bending moment, shearing force, and this is the air drop and the mid drop and the trim. Okay, so from here, guys, let's say at this, after loading in 864, the drop will be, forward drop will be, for example, 9 point forward will be 9.79, updraft will 5.74. This will be the sequence where the chief officer, after loading this 864, the foreman will advise the duty officer or chief officer that they will stop loading for the drop surveyor and the chief officer to make a drop reading around the vessel. So when the chief officer and the drop surveyor have finished reading the drop around the vessel, so they agreed, for example, they agreed for a drop will be 9.79, up drop will be 10.57, and your mid drop is 10.18, and the trim will be 0.78. So they both agreed that forward drop will be 9.79. So put here in your program, forward is 9.79. 0.79. Okay, and up drop will be 10.57. So you put here 10.57, and your main drop will be 10.18. Your trim will be 0.78, which is according to your plan. Okay, and for example, your actual mid drop, okay, your actual mid drop is 10.18 as agreed by the chief officer and the surveyor. So mid drop is 10.18. Okay, put here 10.18, and actual mid starboard is 10.18. Take note, guys, this will be your actual mid port and starboard, and this will be your actual reading forward drop and up drops, and density at berth, at loading berth, is 1.020. Okay, 1.020. So put here upon reading this mid drop, that will be 1.020, 1.020, and after final reading, that will be put here 1.020. Okay, put that one here. Take note, guys. Sales number. Okay, delete this one. So that will be your density, and what is your final mid drop or your departure drop. So take note of your final drop. Uh, Final drop will be mid forward. The final mid, which is this one, the final mid, that will be 10.35. Okay, take note, 10.35. So you put here 10.35, and your required sinkage is 0.17 meters or 17 centimeters, and your recommended cargo to load for trimming is 1951.4. So how did I get this one? You click this one, then here's the formula. It will be K8, which is K, row 8, that will be your sinkage, times your M3. Your M3 is M, and 3 is 14479 times 100. Okay, so to get this one, that will be your sinkage, which is K8, times your TPC of 1,479 times 100, then you will get these figures. How did I get this TPC? Okay, by your departure drop, mid drop is 1035. So you interpolate the TPC, then you will get 14114.79, which is this one. So you interpolate the TPC, and you will get the value of 114.79 of this drop of 10.35. So this is the recommended cargo to load for trimming. So that will be 1951. So you follow this arrow, and you put here 1951. 1951. Okay, and take note, when you load 1951, what will be the results of reloading? Your mid drop will be exactly the same with your mid drop, the partial drop, and your sinkage is exactly the same of this one. So it says here, actual cargo to load for trimming, then go to trim holes 2. So we go to trim holes 2, go up. Take note that the trimming cargo is 1951, which is recommended here, 1951. And take note of the initial drop forward and up of 9.79, up of 10.57. Your main drop is 10.18. Now the trimming, according to the plan, the trimming hold is 864. But to get the same results, let's say our trimming hold is only 2 holds. So 2 holds, that will be 2. For example, 2 and 8. Okay. So here's the cargo of 1951 for trimming. And scroll down. What will be our trim? Final trim. So take note of the plan. Your trim should be of this drop of the main drop of 10.35. Your trim should be 0.70. So your trim, final trim should be 0.70. Okay. So once you put your trim, then he will give you the actual figure on what is to load in hold number 2 and hold number 8. So in hold number 2, recommended to load of 1027. So I put here 1027, and number 8 should load 924. 924. Okay, if you run it up, that will be 94. And what will be your the actual departure drop? Take note that your forward drop will be 10 meters according to your plan. Okay, that's your forward. This will be your forward drop. Okay, and up drop will be how much? 10.70. So your up drop is 10.70. Your trim is 70 centimeters. According to your plan here is 70 centimeters. Okay. And your mean drop is 10.35. Mean drop is 10.35. Okay. And your deflection is 0. So your mid drop is this one. Your mid drop, this is this one. Sorry, mid drop is this one. Mid drop is this one. So what I do, I'm sorry, mid drop, put this equals, okay. Then you go to form number 6. Then you click this one. Because when you load 1951, this should be your mid drop. Enter. This one and your mid drop equals, and this one. So your deflection is 0. Then we go now. We go back to form number 6. Take note. Take note that in hold number 2, you will load 10.27 and up will be 8 will be 924. Take note, this was our initial drop. Okay. So this program is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. Okay. So with these figures, to load in hold number 2 and number 8, and our final drop, departure drop will be forward will be 10 meters, up drop will be 10.70 according to your plan here. Forward is 10 meters, up is 10.70, and your mid drop is 10.35, which is here 10.35, and your trim is 70 centimeters. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. Then we go by trim table. Okay. Trim table. Take note of the initial drop of forward is 9.79, up drop is 10.47, your main drop is 10.18, your mid is 10.18, so you have a trim of, it should be 78, initial drop here. Now, take note of the trimming, amount of cargo for trimming is 1951, which is this one. Okay, 1951. If you remember, this is the recommended for trimming 1951. Then, trimming hold is 2 and 8, and to be loaded in number 2 is 1027 and 8 is 924. Now you apply the correction for holds number 2, forward correction and up correction, and hold number 8 is forward correction, up correction. So what is the forward correction of number 2? So you go to trim table sheet, you go, this is the name of the vessel. Okay. So you go to hold number 2 and look for the nearest drop. So your departure drop is 10.70, so I would say this one. Hold number 2. So that will be hold number 2, this one. Okay. Forward correction is 2.3. So 2.3, 2.3. Okay. And up correction in hold number 2 is, hold number 2 is negative 10. Okay, negative 10. Put this number, can do it like that. Okay, that is 10. Uh, 10. Okay, then hold number 8, forward correction. Hold number 8, scroll down. Okay, hold number 8. So forward correction is negative 0.7. Negative 0.7. And up correction is how much? 2.3. Okay, that will be 2.3. Okay. Now, then you will have your final departure drop. Okay. Take note that it didn't meet your drop. Okay. Your departure drop. Now, I explain further. With this correction, okay, since your drop is 10 meters, 10.70, and it is, this could be somewhere around here. Okay, so what you do, what you will do, you want to make this 10 meters. So what I do, so you adjust your drop correction. So let's put this, say 2.4. So what happens when you put 2.4? So you adjust the correction. That will be 9.97. So you make this to 2.5. 2.5. So a little more. You might make this 2.6. 2.6. Then a little more. You put this 265. 2.65. Then you have 10 meters. Then this should be 10.70. So you adjust your correction on the up. This one you adjust. And you make this one, you make it 270, 2.4. You make it 2.5. 2.5. There you go. So you got 10 meters forward, up drop is 10.70, your main drop is 10.35, your mid is 10.35, your trim is 70, and you have a zero deflection. So take note of your sailing plan. Forward is 10 meters and up is 10.70. Okay? So you have here 10 meters, up is 10.70, and your main drop is 10.35. Your main drop is 10.35. Your trim is 0.70. Okay? Now, this one doesn't tell you which one to load first. Or you will load in hold number 2 on hold number 8. But I have here another sequence. First, you have to load in hold number 8 so that you will have a trim. So take note of the correction on hold number 8. The weight is 924. Correction forward is negative 0.7 and up is 2.5. Hold number 2 for forward correct. The load is 1027. Forward correction is 2.65 and up correction is negative 10. Okay? So, after loading in hold number 8 of 924, your final drop would be 973. Forward up will be 10.80. After loading hold number 8, you load in hold number 2. After loading of 1027, your final drop will be forward will be 10 meters and up will be 10.70. And your trim is 0.70 and your main drop is 10.35. And your deflection is 0. Okay? So you have this program, form number 6. You have this drop, forward and up, and trim 2 holds. You have this departure drop, and we go to form number 7, which is how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in wind drop. So the was density is 1.020. Okay, so density is what air number to put here 1.020. Take note of the forward drop. Forward drop is 9.79. 9.79. And up drop, I'm sorry, up drop is 10.57. I'm sorry, 10.57 here, 10.57. Okay. And take note, the main drop is 10.18 and the trim is 0.78, which is the initial drop, this one, okay? Or 10.18 and 0.78, okay? This is your initial drop. Then you load in number 2, okay? Number 2. What you load in number 2? 1027. Then put the LCG. Number 8 is 924. 924. Put the LCG. And you put here the final density of 1.020. Okay. Then your departure drop is almost 10 meters here. Departure drop is 10 meters. Up drop is 10.70. We got here 10.69, which is almost 10.70. And he got here 10.94, should be 10.35. And this should be 70. And your deflection here is 0.08. This should be 0, okay? So you have 1, 2, okay, 3, 4. So you have 4 programs to back you up to make a accurate results of your program. So again, for number 7, this is one. How to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in mean drop. If you follow this procedure here, you will get the exact answer. So these are, follow this one, then you will get this value here, and so with this one. So you will never get lost. And now in trim table, okay, trim table, you put your cargo and weights, then put the correction for an up correction for each hold. And by getting this correction, you go to your trim table sheet, which is this one, and get to the nearest draft of your departure drop. Okay? Then your departure drop will be forward 10 meters, up will be 10.70. Main drop is 10.35, and your main drop is 10.35. Your trim is 70, then you have a 0 deflection. That will be your, this is your trim to holds, okay? Then you have your forward drop of 10 meters, up drop is 10.70, trim of 7 centimeters, main drop is 10.35, and your deflection here is 0. Then you go to for number 6. which is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. Okay, this is your initial trim, initial draft, your cargo hold and your weight loaded in each hold, and your departure drop forward will be 10 meters, up drop will be 10.70, trim is 70 centimeters, mid drop will be 10.35 rounded up, and you have a zero deflection. Okay, so that's it guys. Now if you like this program, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. Hope you like this video and thank you for watching. Have a good night.